In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zillion gift card on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your balance is ready for your next purchase. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Amazon.com. Make sure you're on the correct regional site that matches your account and your gift card. Some gift cards are region specific, so using the right site avoids errors. If you're not already signed in, Amazon may prompt you along the way, which is normal. Look to the top right of the homepage for the Account and Lists area. On desktop, hovering your mouse over it reveals a drop-down menu. Click on the Account option to open your main account dashboard. If you're on a smaller screen or the layout looks different, you're still looking for your account settings. The wording will be the same once you're in the account area. Inside your account dashboard, find and select gift cards. This section shows your current balance and all the tools you need to manage gift cards. From here, choose Redeem a gift card. That opens the field where you'll enter your code. Take your Zillion gift card and carefully type the code exactly as it appears. Double check for common mix-ups like O and 0 or I and 1 and avoid adding spaces. If you paste the code, make sure there are no extra characters before or after it. Keep your code private and never share it. It's essentially stored value. Once the code is entered, click Apply to your balance. Amazon will verify the code, and if everything checks out, you'll see a confirmation along with your updated gift card balance. If you get an error, confirm you're on the correct Amazon region, ensure the code hasn't already been redeemed, and try re-entering it carefully. Temporary network issues can also cause hiccups, so a quick refresh can help. After it's applied, your redeemable amount sits in your Amazon gift card balance. You don't have to do anything special at checkout. Amazon will automatically use that balance on eligible items. If your balance doesn't cover the full order, the remainder can be paid with another payment method. Keep in mind that gift card balances typically can't be used to buy certain items like other gift cards, and some third-party items may have restrictions. That's it. You've gone to Amazon, opened your account, navigated to gift cards, redeemed your Zillion code, and applied it to your balance, ready for your next purchase with confidence.